Consider this a PSA to all of my fellow Chinese food enthusiasts out there. You do not need to spend $18 on 6 ounces of Zhong sauce wrapped in trendy packaging. You can very easily make it yourself at a fraction of the price by whipping up a batch of Sichuan style aromatic soy sauce, which is basically a tastier version of teriyaki, and just mixing it with a little bit of your favorite chili oil. Start by combining these ingredients in a pot along with a sliced up piece of ginger about this big. Toss in these spices, put the pot on a stove over medium flame, and stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. The spice list here is super flexible, and I encourage you to experiment just like you did your freshman year of college. Don't have Sichuan peppercorns on hand? Try adding coriander seeds to replace their bright flavor. Found some extra cilantro hanging around your fridge that's gonna go bad? Toss it in. Just use whatever you have and don't overthink it. It's going to come out great regardless. Once the sauce just barely comes to a simmer, turn the heat to low and cook for about 30 minutes or until reduced by about a third. Turn off the heat and let the sauce cool completely before straining out all of the aromatics to maximize infusion time. Kept in your fridge, this incredibly versatile condiment is virtually non-perishable and can be used as a cheat code in stir fries, as a marinade for grilling, drizzled over noodles, or to make Zhong-style dipping sauce by combining 1/4 cup of it with 4 to 5 teaspoons of your favorite chili oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 minced garlic cloves. Now, I know I was throwing some shade earlier, but don't get me wrong, I love all of the specialty Asian retailers that have cropped up in the past few years, primarily because they've eliminated the biggest, most anxiety-inducing roadblock to cooking Chinese food at home, finding high-quality ingredients that are clearly labeled in English. Gone are the days where Asian food was analogous with cheap, mediocre, grab-and-go takeout suburban parents would pick up on the way home because Timmy stayed late at school for a yearbook club, and Sarah had soccer practice, and we just had pizza over the weekend. Let's change it up a little. We're living in a golden age, a full-on renaissance filled with instructional cookbooks, availability of niche ingredients, and top-tier restaurants first kicked off by chefs like David Chang, Roy Choi, and so many others who finally pried open the eyes of the American public to the incredible flavors, textures, diversity, and just all-around bomb-as-hell nature of previously undervalued cuisines. The surge in popularity, however, has also given rise to a slew of bougie, Instagram advertising brands selling 6-ounce bottles of chili oil or glorified teriyaki sauce for almost $20 a pop. This is not to say these products aren't good, they're excellent in fact. But when you can make a whole pint of the sauce along with dinner for 2 for the same amount of scratch, or pick up essentially the exact same product for a third of the price by purchasing a less trendy traditional brand, it feels a little bit like people might be getting ripped off. So this is me taking my triumphant stand against the culinary capitalist machine by giving you a recipe for Zhong sauce to dip your frozen dumplings into. Later, nerds.